Okie dokie. In this video, I'm going to take a look at setting up your first scenes in OBS. So, currently recording this in OBS, so I'm going to open up another OBS. We're going to get some OBS inception going on. So, OBS, open broadcast software. So, just trying to recreate the steps that you would see when just after installing it on your machine. So here it is, got a bit of OBS inception going on here because this is showing the screen, which is what you're going to record. I'm just going to turn this camera off, and what you're first going to see after you've installed it will be this auto configuration wizard, and this will ask you to pick one of these options. So optimize for streaming, recording is secondary, optimize just for recording, I will not be streaming. So I did this one here because on occasion I do stream, and it prompts you for your switch key to, and you can create one if you don't have one. Otherwise, just optimize just for recording. I won't be streaming, and you can run this tool at a later date. So after you run that, this determines the best settings based on your hardware, and then once you've done that, you'll have your OBS, and it will look something like scene 1, just over here on the left, and you won't have all of these, and then you'll have this blank screen. And then in here, you can start adding your sources. So this one we want display capture, which is this one here. Oops, I totally clicked the wrong button there. Display capture. And just add a new one, display capture new, and you say OK, and then it'll give you the option of where to pick your display from. So this is display 1 and display 2. So pick one of those, and you've got this display cursor here, so you can capture the mouse movement on the screen. I'll just leave that as it is. So we say OK, then this is this screen. That's it. You're ready to start recording. For the audio here, you can see my the audio level changing as I talk. That is being configured with the audio settings for my mic, which is the USB plug-and-play audio device. It's a fine audio. It's a good bit of kit. I've had it for as long as I've been recording videos, and I've had absolutely no complaints. You would pick out your audio source from here if it wasn't already done with the auto configuration wizard. Yeah, so like I said, you can start recording here, or start streaming, start recording, and then this will turn up in your videos folder or wherever you specify it. So if we go back to the settings again, and we go to output, this is at the moment it'll be in my videos folder on my C drive. Depending on what OS you use, it will determine where it saved it for you, and obviously you can change it if you like. So another thing you might want to add would be a video capture. So let's just do a new one here, and just create a new one, and then I'm going to have this as my XSplit VCam. We'll just wait for this to turn on. I'm going to say deactivate when not showing. So that means if I have more than one scene, like I've got here, and I switch between them, it will turn off and turn back on again. So it's a bit sluggish in how it does it on here. I'm not sure if it's the actual software on VSplit XCam, their side, or if it's OBS. But for what I use it for, it's fine. And this is a source, and obviously this is a source here. So move these about where you want them. I think this is 1280 by what's the size resolution here? Somewhere. Video 1920 by 1080. And then you can add whatever else on top of here you would like. So just a quick one with regards to the you can use an input mask here, so I can have like a circle around me. So that would be in the filters, and then it's mask, image mask. Okay, and you pick out the file, and I've got one I downloaded earlier, which is just a circle. So if you just Google OBS circular image mask, and then you can just download this asset, and then add it here to this source, and then if you hit close, then this is circular in here. So that's it for that. You can add yourself in here. For this source, there's also the option to have it like a slideshow layout, where you have this image somewhere around here in this box here. You can sort of trim down the edges. So say we don't want the title bar in this, if I hold down Alt key, I can sort of position that around the frame, and then the other side here. So you can have like a source where you could just trim it right down, and then for the background I could add in an image, and then I've got I'll add an existing one, slides background. Let's go OK, and then you notice this has just taken over everything now because it's in this order. This has gone to the top, and then you can use these arrow keys to move this down to the bottom. Then it's like in the background. It's really big for some reason. Make this a lot smaller. There you go. Your first scene in OBS. I think that's it for this one. So I'm just going to hit stop recording on this side, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.